So today we're going to look at the rules of agreement with tenses of the sujet, the subject, the complement object direct, the COD, and the complement object André, the COE. So let's look at these two short sentences. The first sentence, je mange du riz. So I'm going to divide this sentence. So, je, we have the subject or sujet. By sujet, I mean the person carrying out the verb in the sentence. We also have the object, the direct object, du riz. So, in a sentence, the complement object dire or the direct object answers the question what or who. In other words, quoi, qui. It answers the question what or who. That is in relation to the verb and the subject. So that's that for complement object dire. Now in the second example, we'll be looking at complement object André. So here we have the sujet, the subject. And then here, ma sœur is the COE. L'objet André or the complement object André, it answers the question à qui or for qui. That is to say, to whom and for whom. In this case, we have je parle à ma sœur. Je parle à qui? I am talking to my sister. So, who am I talking to? À qui? That is what the complement object André answers. At who or for whom. Now, in order for you to know when an object in a sentence is an indirect object, you have to be on the lookout for verbs that have the preposition a coming after them. For example, aller à, écrire à, raconter à, envoyer à, téléphoner à, appeler à, transférer à. So there are many more verbs, but at least in a sentence, when you see this kind of setting, know that the following object is an indirect object. Now, there are a specific set of pronouns used when handling indirect objects, when handling the complement objet André. Those pronouns are, follow me, you have the mot, to, lui, nous, vous, leur. So this is me showing you the markers of an indirect object. First of all, we have verbs that are followed by the preposition a, and then we have these popular pronouns. They are called indirect object pronouns. They themselves can function as COI. They can function as indirect objects in the sense that the verb is being carried out on them. So when we use the indirect object pronouns, the a is absent. For example, if I want to replace the sœur in je parle à ma sœur, I will say je lui parle. So lui is a general pronoun for him or her. Unlike il/elle, in this case we just have lui representing him or her. So when we use lui, there's no need to use a. There's no need to say parler à, parle à. We just say je lui parle as against je parle à ma sœur. Lui is the pronoun replacing sœur. I hope you get what I'm saying. Now let's talk about COD. As for direct object pronouns, that is pronouns for the COD. We have mo, the, lo slash la, no, vo, le. So this is for je, tu, e slash l, no, vous, and il slash l. So to recap, the complement object entre, it answers the question to whom or for whom, as against the COD, which answers the question what. So that's that for now. This should help you understand the subsequent parts of this class.